Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Karen Lanuza, 25 years old, married. I have one child, and I am undergraduate of criminology.
Hi, Miss Karen. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so Miss Karen, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, it must be patient, hardworking, loyal, and honest.
Okay, so since you're first timer, so how will you avoid your homesickness?
It must be focused to my work, Sir, Madam.
Can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, to give them nutritious food, vitamin in time, play with them, love them as my own children.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I say sorry not to do it again.
Any message or promise that you want to share to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my family. I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract, Sir, Madam.
Okay, thank you, Miss Karen, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.